morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I can't sing. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and it is still not remove Damien thing from right here. It is approximately, hold on, hang on. It is approximately 6:59 a.m. and I'm on my way to get my Nikki as we are heading to the beach. You know, one of them early morning the way I get a little wash off. Yeah, it's one of those mornings. So we're going to get a little wash off. So I'm on my way to get her. So, you know, we don't really use phone and drive. So I'm gonna end this little intro right here, pick up Nikki, and then when I get her, I'll come back and then we'll continue this little vloggy. But guys, wake up, it's a beautiful day outside. I'll be back. Now wait for her to come out. I don't know why she takes so long, you know. So I'm reach and toot. No Nikki. See how long she take to come out. So long I sit down and wait for her. Morning. Patiently. So she finally reached. So this is my date this morning. This is nice. It's very windy. Who cares? It was a good morning. The beach is pretty. carrot cup. There, dear. What's a good morning? So we finish, take a little dip, and we'll go home now. Nikki, go make breakfast.
I make a big pot of callaloo fry yesterday. I'm going to go home.
So that means we're not eating a breakfast.
Last thing before me go on my bed.
So Nikki now buy our breakfast. So we got juicy beef. Right, Nikki? Right. So Juicy was closed, so we went to Tasty's, got a patty and I think some tea. I dropped her off and I headed home. So when I got home, I decided to make dinner. So for dinner, I decided to make some curry pasta in coconut sauce and with shrimp, of course. So here I have the shrimp. I added some of my blended seasoning, the curry one, some all-purpose. Let that sit for about 10 minutes. And we went and we got the show on the road. Now I also added some carrot for crunch in my pasta. And this is how my sauce was looking. I added some coconut cream with this season that I showed before. Put that on the fire, added some curry to it, let it simmer, and you know, add a little butter in it. Added chiffon. I added a tablespoon of sugar, brown sugar, and this is how my sauce was looking. You know, let it simmer to how thick you want it. If you don't like it thick, you know, you still need to boil the coconut cream a little, because coconut cream can run your belly if you don't cook it down. So after we've made our sauce for our pasta, we'll go ahead and we will boil our spaghetti. Here I added a little curry in the pot as well. Season the pot, season the spaghetti pot, and we sauteed our shrimp for about 2 or 3 minutes. After everything is done, that is the sauce boiled down, the pasta is cooked, that is the spaghetti, and our shrimp has been sauteed, we'll drain the water off and we will combine all our ingredients. And guys, try this recipe out and let me know how it tastes. It was really good. This is how my meal was looking. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.